Alkaline purple coleslaw. Let's see how I did it. I'm gonna slice a few chunks of this purple cabbage. Gonna slice this onion. I'm gonna put that all into this hand crank food processor. So this one has two settings, a slow speed and a fast speed. So I'm gonna start off on the slow speed and then switch it over to the fast speed. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to switch over and chop it up even finer. If you have an electric food processor, you can just go ahead and use that. It'll be much easier. I'm gonna add one more chunk of cabbage. Slice a little bit of this bell pepper. And I'm going to cut up this scallion. Okay, I'm going to mix those in. Now I'm going to add my special homemade mayonnaise. You can see the link for that video here. Or you can just use whatever mayonnaise you have. But if it's from the shop, it won't be alkaline. As far as the difficulty level, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd put this recipe at about a 4. It's pretty easy. Unless you go and make the mayonnaise sauce yourself, at which point I'd put it at maybe a 5 or a 6. So this recipe is very easy, it's very quick, so I recommend it. The color of the cabbage really makes this dish pop visually. Be warned though, if you let this dish sit too long, the colors start to bleed into the sauce. You probably have around 8 hours before this starts to happen. I've let this sit for 6 hours many times and it's still fine. Store this in your refrigerator.